Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean profit and loss statement in Excel for 2026. So if you want a simple way to track your revenue, expenses, and net profit, this step-by-step guide will help you build it from scratch. First, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank workbook. Yeah, this keeps your financial statement fully customizable. Next, build the basic layout. In the first column, type sections like revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. This structure forms your profit and loss statement. Now, under revenue and expenses, list your detailed items like product sales, service income, rent, salaries, and utilities. This is where your real numbers will go. All right, calculate totals using the sum function. So, add up your revenue items to get total revenue and do the same for your expenses. Next, calculate gross profit by subtracting cost of goods sold from total revenue. Yeah, this shows how much you earn before operating expenses. Now for the key metric, subtract total expenses from gross profit to get net profit. I mean, this tells you whether your business is actually making money. Finally, format your statement. Bold the headings, apply currency formatting, and maybe add borders. Clean formatting makes your P&L much easier to read. And that's it. You now have a fully functional profit and loss statement in Excel. Yeah. Update it regularly, and you'll always know your financial position. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.